Good morning, students. As you know that I have started with this chapter number 5th, coal and the petroleum. So in the part first video, I have explained you about the resources that there are the two type of resource, natural resource and the man-made resource. Okay, natural resource means that kind of resource which the nature has given as like a gift to us. Okay, like water is there, air, uh, a number of examples, soil is there. Are these are natural resources means given by the nature to us. Okay, and the man-made objects are also there. But are we using the natural resources properly? क्या हम उसका proper use करते हैं बेटा? No, we are not using the natural resources carefully. The only thing which we are doing that is the wastage of the same. हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? We are wasting the natural resources a lot as compared to the usage of the same. Use हमारा कम होता है, waste हमारा ज़्यादा होता है. That I have told you about the deforestation. We are wasting the natural resources by the human activities means natural resources जो हैं वो धीरे धीरे कम होते जा रहे हैं. According from that, natural resources are they are divided into the two types: inexhaustible and the exhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resource means meaning I told that that kind of resource which cannot be exhausted, वो exhaust नहीं होंगे due to human activities से वो exhaust नहीं होंगे. For example, I have given sunlight and the air. Okay, that these are the both example of the inexhaustible natural resource. Then we have seen about the exhaustible natural resource means that kind of resource which can be exhausted by the human activities. जो human activities से exhausted हो जाएंगे उसको हम बोलते हैं exhaustible natural resource. Examples are coal, petroleum, natural gas, forest, wildlife, etc. and etc. Because number of things are there which can be exhausted if the human activities will go continue like this only. Okay, this is all about in the part first video. Now moving to the next, in your textbook you can see on my slide also one story is there. Now what is this? Let's listen carefully. A 3 to 4 bowls you have to take. In each and every bowl you have to keep some eatables. किस्म सब में कुछ ना कुछ आपको eatables रखने means food items रखनी है which we can consume, which we can eat. Okay, then take just the students, take to 7 to 8 members for the same activity and divide them into the three groups. Take 8 or 6 and divide them into the three groups and give them name first generation, second generation and the third generation. Okay, bowls you have to take. In that bowls you have to keep the eatables. After that you have to take the students of, or we can say family members of Lelo, and divide them into the group of the three and give the name as the first generation, second generation and the third generation. Now after that just call one by one each and every generation. First we will call the first generation only, and we will tell them to eat something, to consume something from that. So they will consume, and the at that time the first generation is taking हम बोलते concerned, they were totally concerned about the next generation. They will keep something, they will conserve something for the second generation. So in this also first generation will eat, they will consume from the that eatables from that bowls. Then you will call the second generation. So here what will happen, the second generation will destroy all the things, the second generation will consume all the things, they will not keep anything safe, or they will not conserve anything for the third generation. Just for example, at your home only, your grandparents, if they are getting anything, so they are not eating completely, they are keeping something for you and something even for your parents. Like you, in your case also, your parents are getting something, so they are not eating completely, they are keeping something for you. But you are not keeping anything for anyone. Suppose anything you are eating, so you are not keeping, you are not conserving the same for your small brothers and the sisters, you are consuming that fully food item. So this is the what the second generation will not consume, will not conserve anything for the third generation, for the future generation. See, our ancestors have thought, हमारे बारे में उन्होंने सोचा था कि yes, that what the second generation will get after us. So they have kept something, even they have consumed, उन्होंने consume भी किया है, but they have also kept, they have also conserved many things for us, and today we are getting the same. but what we people are doing, we are wasting the resources and we are not thinking for our third generation. हम third generation के बारे में नहीं सोच रहे हैं. We are consuming and we are wasting only. So this is the wrong thing. It may be earlier generation in the some groups who are concerned about the future generation. That's why they are keeping the safe. So in this chapter, we will learn about the exhaustible natural resources like coal and the petroleum. Yes, in this chapter, what we are going to learn about the exhaustible natural resources like the coal and the petroleum. कोल के बारे में और पेट्रोलियम के बारे में इस चैप्टर में हम लोग सीखेंगे. Means about the story of the coal, how coal formed, the things which we are getting from the coal, what are the uses where we are using the same. These were formed from the remains of the dead organisms. Dead organisms में से बनता है and this is known as the fossil fuels. Okay. So let's start with another topic, coal. अब coal के बारे में start करेंगे बेटा हम लोग. Coal word you have heard many times. Okay. You might be have seen or you have heard many times about the coal. It is hard like a stone and black in color. वो stone की तरह hard होता है और color कौन सा होता है इसका black color का. Coal is one of the fuels to cook food. कोल बेटा पहले यूज करते थे लोग फूड बनाने के लिए. अर्लियर इट वाज यूज्ड इन द रेलवेज टू रन द इंजिन्स. इट वाज आल्सो यूज्ड इन थर्मल पावर प्लांट्स टू प्रोड्यूस द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए भी हम लोग कोल का यूज करते थे पहले. कोल इज आल्सो यूज्ड एज अ फ्यूल इन वेरियस इंडस्ट्रीज. कोल का यूज पहले बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्रीज में भी होता था. So this was about the characteristics of the coal. It is like as hard as the stone and it is black in color. Is one of the fuel used to cook food. Earlier it was used in the railway engines to produce steam to run the engine. It is also used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Also used in various industries as a fuel. Now the story of the coal, how coal formed. Now this is the big question, okay? About 300 million years ago, there was a dense forest. The earth had a dense forest. But due to the natural calamities like flood, the forest got buried under the soil. Forest क्या हो गया? Soil के अंदर buried हो गए. Means सारे के सारे जो forest था वो पूरा का पूरा buried हो गया, मतलब अंदर चला गया. So as the more under the soil, as the more soil deposited over them, जितनी ज्यादा बेटा soil उस पे deposit होती जा रही थी, the soil is deposited on the them, they were compressed और धीरे धीरे वो नीचे होते जा रहे थे. Temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. Temperature भी बेटा बताया हमको नीचे ज्यादा high रहता है, जो जितना नीचे वो जाते जा रहे थे उतना temperature भी increase होता जा रहा था. Dead plants and slowly converted to the coal. जो dead plants थे वो slowly किस में convert हो गए? Coal में. As you know, the coal mainly contains carbon. The slow process of conversion dead plants into the coal is known as carbonization. उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? Carbonization बोलते हैं. Just see again what is this. About the 300 million years ago, the earth had a dense forest. But due to some of the natural calamities like flooding, these forests get buried under the soil. As the more soil deposited on it, due to the high temperature inside, the dead plants converted into the fossil fuel named as a coal. वो किसमें change हो गया? Coal में change हो गया. As what the coal contains mainly? Yes, coal contains mainly carbon. कोल के अंदर क्या होता है? कार्बन होता है. The slow process of conversion dead plants और ठीक है into the coal is known as the carbonization. Since it was formed from the remains of the vegetation, coal is also called as a fossil fuel. But here in this story of the coal we have seen it was made from the dead plants. One thing we have observed that ki plants when they are alive, so they are giving many things to us, but after उनका die हो जा रहे हैं बेटा वो, after that also they are providing many things to us. उसके बाद भी हमको वो coal provide कर रहे हैं as they are going अंदर compressed हो जा रहे हैं. soil जितना उनके ऊपर आ रहा है, temperature धीरे धीरे high होता जा रहा है, so the dead plants वो convert हो जा रहे हैं coal में. और coal में क्या होता है? mostly carbon. और जो प्रोसेस होता है धीरे धीरे स्लोली डेड प्लांट से कन्वर्ट होता है कोल में, उसको हम बोलते हैं कार्बनाइजेशन. ओके. When heated in air, coal produce mainly carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas produce होती है जब उसको हम burn करेंगे तो. Coal is proceed to industry to get a coke, coal tar and the coal gas. उसमें से हमको तीन मेन चीजें मिलती है, coke, coal tar and the coal gas. Now what is the usage of the coke and the tar and the gas? Let's see. Coke, it is a tough, porous and a black substance. एक वो tough है, porous means allow liquid to pass easily from it. Porous है और वो black substance है. It is almost a pure form of the carbon. Coke is used in the manufacture of the steel industries and the extraction of the many metals. वो black है, tough है और porous है. Okay, it is a main form of the carbon. It is used in manufacture of the steel industry and in the extractions of the many metals. Coal tar, it is a black thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of around 200 substances. Product obtained from coal tar are used as a starting materials for manufacture. कोई भी चीज मैन्युफैक्चर करने के लिए उसका फर्स्ट मटेरियल जो यूज होता है वो कोल टार यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल सिंथेटिक डाइस, ड्रग्स, एक्सप्लोसिव्स, परफ्यूम, प्लास्टिक, पेंट, photographic materials, roofing materials, etc. Interesting, naphthalene galls are used to kill rappel and other insect are also obtained from the coal tar. बेटा naphthalene balls आप लोगों को देखे होंगे घर पे, a white colored balls which we are keeping in the cupboard where we are keeping our clothes. वो नेफिनाइल की जिसको हम गोलियां बोल सकते हैं, naphthalene balls, वो भी इस कोल टार में से बना हुआ होता है. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of the coal to get coke. Coal gas हमको कब मिलता है? जब हम कोल को कोक में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. At that time we are getting the coal gas. It is used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants. Okay, ये कहाँ पर situated होता है? Coal processing plants होते हैं उनके बाजू में. So these are the three things which we are getting from the coal, like coal, coal tar and the coal gas. You also come to know about the uses for the same, and you also know the story that how the coal formed. It is formed from the dead plants में से बनता है, and the process the slowly that you convert होता है dead plants coal तक, उस process को हम बोलते हैं carbonization, and the coal contains mainly carbon. So I hope you understood about the topic coal. In the next video we will learn about the topic petroleum. So whatever doubt if you're having related to this video, you can ask from me on the online session. Thank you and have a nice day.